Everyone, today I will show you how you can change your Touch ID or add Touch ID to MacBook Pro. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to the Apple icon at the top left and then click on System Settings. It should pop up this window. What you want to do is you want to go to Touch ID and password, and then if you want to add the Touch ID, you want to click on Add Fingerprint, and it will ask you to enter the password. So once you unlock your password, it will ask you to lift and rest your finger on Touch ID, which allow you to add your fingerprint. And that is how you can add the fingerprint on your MacBook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.